What is up, future self slash YouTube? Another day, another video. You feel me? Market updates. We are cooked on GBP at the moment. So this is how GBP is looking like. I want price not to close above this previous structure point here, right there, right. The reason I say that is because once price is able to break above it, then we're gonna most likely continue going up. I want price to give me some sort of double top for us to continue going down. Even if I have to hold these trades for weeks, I will. If I don't and I get stopped out, I'm completely fine with that. I know what I put myself up for. Right? If I end up losing, I guess it was a bad trade that I took. But AUDJPY is continuing to go down again. As you can see, price created somewhat of a double top here. I believe price is gonna go lower now. But I'm surprised it didn't hit my stop loss, yo. Like if we look at this closely, we're like 1 or 2 pips away. Look at this. Um, we are what, like 2 pips away, 1.9, 1.8 pips away from my stop loss getting hit. I'm surprised spreads didn't hit it. If y'all want to know who my brokerage is, let me ask me in the comments and I'll just show it to y'all or comment it in the video. But yeah, that's just how JPNZ is looking. AUD JPY is looking, and the last one USD Frox. This is the one trade that I like a lot more than other trades. So we followed our rule on this one. Everything is going as planned. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But I will show y'all what that account is looking like at the moment. I am down 17 buckaroonies. I only one trade ender with a lot of capital, which should be GPNZD. So I'm completely fine with that. So yeah, mark the candle is about to close for the 4 hour, which I'm looking into. I want to see how this closes in 3 minutes, but I'm not gonna be staring at it for 3 minutes. Um, this one also looks ready. This trade, I wanted price to come back to retest this area. As you can see, price is retesting that area like I wanted it to. We are now just gonna wait for price to be tested a little more and see if we could see some sort of a shift of structure in the lower time frame. So we'll wait till that moment comes. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna enter this personally. Um, yeah, I just wanna see how it plays out, right? Cause I don't even think I have enough capital to enter this, cause most of the capital is into GPNZD and use AUDJPY and use these francs, right? So we're gonna just see how it plays out. So I would have entered around this area. So we gotta point that out. If it would have hit it, I wouldn't have entered it. I would have seen it. What it would have done. That's one trade that looks almost ready. This one is shifting structure. As you can see, I see this perfect left head, right shoulder. I'm not trying to push it, but I do see it. Left head, right shoulder, potential retest to this zone. So the ideal point of entry would be around this area for price to break it, retest it. Stop loss would be at a perfect amount. Um, it wouldn't be here anymore because price didn't stop here. It continued to now. We also got to look at what's in front of us and not behind us anymore. So we don't want to be too much focused on this when we already have this, right? So yeah, we see the perfect left head, right shoulder, resistance level here. I want to see price break this, retest it, and then we would have a some of an entry point. So we're just waiting for that. I will not enter this trade, but if I were to enter it, we would see how it play out, right? CAD JPY never went how I would wanted it to go. I wouldn't have entered either way. I didn't see no point for me entering. I would have seen a downtrend. I would have waited for some type of engulfing. Never had that engulfing. Never entered. Wouldn't have planned to enter either way. So this is the way of patience and don't push yourself or don't push it because you want to see it. If it's not there, don't exceed that. I do see this double top forming on this 4 hour. I want to see if price could break below the zone and retest this area. On euro, I'm not interested on it. I'm just marking it down what I see. Um, yeah, AUD CAD is currently at this area. We are currently just consolidating, like I predicted. Price, I wanted price to reach this area. Um, I do believe we need a little more of a reach there, so I don't even think this trade is ready. Even if I would have entered, because I'm gonna get some type of wick out, so I'd be waiting for some type of wick to show or some type of reaction here, then start seeing that shift structure like we see here and here, right? So we'll just be waiting on that because this did make a left head right shoulder on the previous time frames. Right shoulder, right? So actually, it did not. I'm pushing it right there, but yeah, I'm not interested. But if y'all see this next week, y'all could go look at the trades and see if they're ready or not, because these videos are posted a little late. So I like this very much. The 4 hour did not close above previous structure point. We will now see how this next candle reacts. If it gives us up engulfing, then we're gonna continue going to the downside, right? If it doesn't, then we're gonna continue going to the upside. But I'll keep you updated with this later. I do believe it's gonna hit my TP. Like, if I firmly believe it's gonna the momentum, if we have momentum or volume, it will hit it by what, tomorrow or today, ages session, I do believe. So I will keep y'all posted on this as well. I want to see how price. I wouldn't be planning on entering any of these trades, but I want to see how price reacts, right? Um, yeah, that is it. So I will see y'all. I don't know. Have anything else to show? Oh, okay. So that we are wearing the fake Richard Mille. If y'all don't know the context behind this, go look at the first video I ever posted because it's telling why I wear it, how I got it, and yeah. But that would be it for this little session. There's gonna be, if I do go to the gym, there's gonna be a clip of me in the gym. There, boom. What is up, YouTube slash future self? I am back. I did not go to the gym, so there's no clip of me going to the gym. We will see how our trades are doing. I have officially lost one trade on this profitable to unprofitable journey. The one trade that I lost was this. Hit my stop loss and it just went up. Something that we did have though is these news. Um, it was the FOC news, the federal, the whatever these news. We had these news, right? So price did indeed fall, went up for every USD. So this went down. I basically predicted this trade, right? This one went down. I basically predicted this trade, right? I never entered because I'm like, okay, there's no point in me entering. I don't really. I was just trying to see if I were to actually correct on it, right? If I were to be correct on the market, but I would have been correct on this one. I wouldn't have been correct on that one. Price went the other way. USD, so up. So most USD markets went up with USD, right? This one would have went up. So this one would have went down. This one would have went down. Euro USD, so USD down. But my overall analysis was for it to go down. So down. GBP CAD is starting to stop consolidation, but um, this one went down already. I was expecting for price to reach more up here in the highs. If somebody would have said, "Why don't you enter from this area to this area?" Because I'm not sure price is gonna reach there. I'm expecting for it to reach there. I'm not saying that. I'm assuring it for it to reach there. Right? So either way, that would have been a counter trade because the rumor was to go to the downside. So yeah. Prices has reached to this area, like I said. I wanted price to give me some more of a pull up. Then some type of shift. Price is currently giving me that pull up. We could probably grab some sort of liquidity. We will have to see how price reacts next week. I don't believe it's gonna be ready this week. But yeah, so I'm still currently in this trade. Pride, Price indeed did not was unable to close above this zone, so that's a good thing. I do believe Price is making this somewhat of a double top, right? But Price is failing to close below here, as you can see. If Price is unable, then that's bad. But hopefully, if we don't if we don't hold to this, if Price takes us out, then I'm fine with that. I guess I don't know. Price they would want to do, and I just guess I just read it wrong, or I just probably insert too late. I don't know, or it's probably a big trade. Nah, it's the perfect trade. I'm not. I don't think it's me. I think it's just the market price consolidating, right? I mean, I'm assuming we're probably making some shift where he's consolidating, right? Because when we consolidate, we're like a top price ready to go low. But so yeah, we are here. I kind of firmly do believe price will go down, just not at the moment. We'll have to see though. I don't know the future, so we'll have to see. I'm still in this trade as well. Price is continuing to go down, so that's a good thing. Let me show you the account. So I didn't really enter much on the USD CHF, so I only lost 192, $1.92. I'm currently am down at the moment. I'm down 15 buckaroonies. Spreads are kind of high right now, so yeah. As y'all can see, that is how that's is how my account is looking like. But I'm perfectly fine if we lose. If we don't, life goes on and on and on and on and. But yeah, we will see how this plays out. Hope I do believe we'll have a move either London session tonight, but we'll have a move this week. I don't believe it's gonna consolidate for much longer. Price just might end up either going up or coming down. It's either or. Can't stay in the middle forever, right? So we do have some news on today for JVP. So I mean NZD. Um, I don't know if they're major news or not, but I do. Yeah, they're major news. So we will have to see how these news affect the market. If they're good, I'm assuming every NZD market is gonna go have a push, so this will continue going down. If we're wrong, the GBP is obviously gonna win, and we're just wrong, right? So we cannot make any assumptions, and so I am trying to kind of cut, you could say. Well, not really. I'm trying to maintain my current weight. Right now, I'm weighing at 155 pounds, but I'm still holding fat, right? So I've done all my research already. Today I did my research on how much I need to eat to stay at this and how much what I gotta do, right? So starting today or starting next week actually, I'ma try to get lean because right now I've then before I didn't start going to the gym I used to be skinnier, so my arms were like very skinny. I can kind of see the triceps even when I did this, but I was skinnier. My chest was very skinny, like it was just flat, all fatness. But I have gained muscle, so now my goal would is to lose fat and lean and be lean. I want to get to at least 10% body fat at one point. I'm at around 20, probably 30% body fat at the moment, so I got a long way to go, right? So I'm gonna try to lock in. Um, if y'all have any recommendations on what I could use, nah, I'm playing. So yeah, I'm trying to get more lean. I know how many calories I gotta eat. Um, Actually, I do not know how many calories I'm supposed to eat. So I might be eating 2,500 calories every day. I'm gonna try to hit that goal. I don't know if I will, but yeah, I'm trying to get more lean, but I'm trying to also gain muscle. So I'm doing a. So what is that word called? It is called body recomposition. So I'm trying to do a body recomposition while bulking. I'm not. Yeah, I'm trying to gain muscle and replace all the muscle with lean, right? So I gotta get more steps in. I gotta do the same weight. Trying to change my weight. I don't want to get more weaker. So yeah, my arms are sore though. It's like the first time my arms been these sore or this sore. I mean, this is the first time I actually forced myself because I don't like really hitting arms. So I like hitting chest more, so I forced myself. I was doing incline, hammer curls, and the other jump, the bicycle curls, the one y'all saw. I'm sure this one clip as y'all saw from last video yesterday. Some words of encouragement that I could give. I don't want to be that dude who's giving encouragement and not following himself. So just be patient. With this trade has almost hit my stop loss 2 times. I wasn't that worried, right? I want to say that you don't have to be worried because if it's meant to go down, it's meant to go your way, or if it's meant to go up, it's meant to go up. Doesn't really matter. So as long as you did your analysis correct, just stay patient. As y'all saw, this market did create this double top before falling. Like I've literally said, it might create some double top to continue to fall. Price did the exact same thing. So hey, we gotta understand that it's not about. I mean, yeah, it's about the money, but first focus on the skill. Remember, I've told y'all so many times, money builds skill. Always focus on the skill first. Focus on the money later, because once you become good at this skill, money comes very quick, right? This, I'm gonna use this example. This trade, yes, as y'all see, is going down. I'm not gonna say it continues to go down because that's how this one was. It went down and then it just went up, right? Might be a wick out, might not be a wick out. It might not be a wick out because this daily is so closed like that. But I do believe the overall move is downward, so you probably just came into it, right? But like this, look. So this market, we were off by 2 pips. I didn't exit. If I would have exited, then I would have been right, basically. I read everything correct, and price did the thing that I wanted to do. Price just consolidated a little bit around this area before having the actual move, and I guess the news gave it that little push. GPNZD is a different story. Buyers are always bringing this area up here, so we're kind of just consolidating at this area, basically, from what I see, from what I'm seeing. But if this could give us an engulfing, then we're good. We're gonna be good to this area, right? So either I hold it to like here, or I hold it to like this area. One of them two. Potentially, yeah, yeah. I think I'd have to make my TP around this area. But if we're able to break below this area, then we could easily make it to this area. So we'll have to wait. I'm not pushing myself. Even if I don't gain anything this week, or if we just consolidate, I'm gonna still keep holding. Unless we hit our stop loss, then I'm of course gonna take me out. But yeah, those are all the words that I have. Be patient with yourself. Don't push the trade so hard, because at the end of the day, it's mostly about psychology. So um, have discipline against yourself. But the main process is to be patient and don't stick with your emotions. Let your emotions be somewhere else while you're looking at the market, because most of this is emotion, psychology, and discipline. Right? So I will see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow I do have chess. If I don't have a cameraman or anything, I will be recording personally. I gotta give y'all some good clips of the gym. You feel me? So hopefully this wasn't a bad thing. It was kind of boring because I didn't. Today was my rest day, so it was boring. But I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the little clip. I didn't really do much today, so next week I will start going from Monday to Friday. No, every day to the gym except Saturday and Sunday. So those will be the boring days unless I have something to do. But who knows? That's the future. So yeah. Make sure you like, follow, comment, subscribe. Uh, tell me what I could do better to improve my videos because I believe they're whack. So yeah. Comment the word shoddy. Comment the word shoddy. SHAWTY. If you made it all the way through. And that is gonna be it for today. So I will see you tomorrow. Peace.